it's Hailey. Welcome back to our channel, or if you're new here, welcome to the Doll Squad. Today I'm going to be coming at you with a new video and a new series called Back to Basics, where our Doll Squad will show you how to do the basic makeup tips and tricks. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using two separate eyeliners with the same method, just so you can get a feel of the different varieties of eyeliners and how to apply them. So I'm now going to be taking our To The Point eyeliner in the shade Mocha. I love felt tip eyeliners because it's very easy to apply. So I'm going to be taking the line side, which is the longer felt tip, and this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to act as if it's three parts. I'm going to start with the inner corner, line to the center of my lid, and then drag it to the outer corner, and if I want to add a wing, flick it out, and that's going to be our part 3. So here we go. You get the center. And depending on how thick you want, that's how far you're going to go from the lash line. So I like my eyeliner pretty thin, so I'm going to try to keep it as tight as possible. So there, we're at the inner corner. Now I'm going to drag it to the outer corner. I recommend using a lighter hand because it's going to make it easier to navigate around the eye. So now going on to step 3, totally optional if you want to do the winged eyeliner. I'm going to line up the pen with my eye to kind of see where I want the wing to go. And then I'm just going to make a straight line. And there, as you can see, that's going to be our outline for where we're going to go back in with our defined side and color it in. There we go, we have a wing. Now I'm going in with our Split Decision eyeliner in the shade Luna. This is great because it's very versatile. You get a satin side and a glitter side, so you can do a bunch of different looks with this. I'm going to go into the satin side to keep it consistent with the To The Point, but I'm still going to use the same 3-part method. So let's just dip my brush. I'm using our number 5 line and smudge brush. It comes with a thin line side and then another rounded side for smudging. Some people have trouble moving from, if I'm a righty, going to my left eye, but it's all about how you're going to position your arm. So I like to stabilize my elbow so it's easy to navigate around the eye, like I said before. So I'm going to start with the inner corner. I like going as close as possible to my lash line because I want it to be natural. But depending on your preference, you can make it thicker however you want. So the thing I like most about makeup is there's no rules in makeup. You can do however you want. You can take these back to basics techniques and modify them to fit your eye shape, to fit your skin tone, however you want, your eye color. Any type of makeup technique is easily modified to how you feel comfortable and what you like the best. So, as I said, line the inner corner to the center of the eye, stabilize the elbow. So we have part 1 done. I'm going to go back into the eyeliner just to get a little bit of more product on my brush, and then I'm going to start from the out and go back to the middle. Just the way my hand is positioned, it will be easier. Doing it in these parts makes it easier for the person applying because you don't have to try and get a straight line in one go. You can take your time, do it piece by piece. Even if you can't do it in 3 parts, feel free to do 5 parts if you need to. As long as you just connect the lines, you will have a straight, even liner. So now it's for the fun part, the wing. I'm going to do the same method, stabilize my elbow and pick a point. So I know that they're going to be even, and I'm just going to dot and drag. Now that we have the 2 wings going, we're now going to go in with mascara to finish off the look. Of course, my tried and true, our Effort Lash. I'm just going to apply it on my lashes. Alright dolls, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and this Back to Basics series. If you have any suggestions or makeup looks that you want to see, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next one. Bye dolls!